I've gone and bought another GTS scooter. It's for 3-year-olds plus. They're a bit big. I've actually bought it to hang on the wall, but I'll wait till I've broken it. Is that cool? Don't go too fast. He's gone. Are you ready to have a go?
Yeah.
Where you gone? You can't go on the road, it's not taxed. When he gets back, you have a go then, Leo.
Get out of the way!
That's it. True scooterist. That's
You
it.
got a tiny
No, that's like me, Duncan and other people if we're on a small frame Vespa. Yeah.
Wait, you don't have to be fit 2 people. No.
Shades of her. I can take the stabilisers off. Whee! You can steer it. It's got disc brakes.
Can someone hold my parts?
Yeah, it's got disc brakes. Look. I'd turn it around. Come on. That harness to push all the Lambrettas out the way. And he's off. There you go. I only bought it for the wall. Didn't think they'd want to go on it. That's cool, eh? That's going to go up here. I might actually chop it in half. Oh, he's going up the hill now. Yeah, he's still going. Hey, ready? Come on. Oh. Gotta have some fun, eh? What?
I need another eye to make
What do you need?
I need another nail for the other eye.
A nail in a bit of sponge. Oh, I've got you some things to play with later, look.
Oh,
And some other stuff. Then there's loads more. Not them, no, they're empty cans. I keep them, then I cut them up and use the aluminium. Should we ever play with one of them?
I'm going to get 2.
Well, it's one each.
Because it's 2.
That's going to be my weekend. Here he comes, one more. Come on in, into the camera.
Hello, Tiny.
Boom. Oh well, in for a pair.